No way to give you money. Excuse me. Are you serious? I can never meet you again. As far as I know, he is educated. Wash your face. Come inside. Be quiet. Take your time. We are ready. Then please, understand me. Nothing special. Don't blame me. Who knows? Just a minute, please. I am not sure. Eat breakfast. Will you marry me? He feels really sad. It was tough. Oh, it's simple. Some time ago. Do you agree with me? Can I go now? Let me see. Is this right? I am here. She was surprised. Don't give up. I can't do that.